like to make a motion?
May I move that Mr. Celis be detained for being cited in contempt for violation of Section 11, Paragraph C, refusal to answer any relevant inquiry by the members of this committee for a period of 30 days.
Mr. Chairman.
Why we cited Mr. Celis for contempt because he does not want to answer the question. That is precisely why he violated paragraph C. So why will we give him a timeline? Eh kung kahit hindi pala siya sumagot, papalabasin natin si Mr. Celis. The reason why we cited him for contempt, gusto nga natin na sagutin niya yung relevant inquiry natin, na sagutin niya kung sino yung source niya.
Are violated in this committee. I'm sorry to say, let me be detained in this chamber and be cited in contempt. I will not participate if my constitutional right will not be guaranteed. You are not here to decide for my constitutional right.
Let me finish.
There's a point of order, the Honorable.
Before ba ko magpapakulong, I request the committee.
We are not. Silence is requested. The Honorable Pimentel has to